YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make my turmeric water that I drink first thing in the morning when I wake up. I'm currently taking the Serrapeptase 120,000. I take 3 a day. So I take it with this water. So I use about a half a tablespoon to a whole tablespoon of turmeric powder, organic powder, and I put it in my container here. And I usually fill up this container with 1 bottle of water. I've been drinking on this, but usually I'll fill it up. I'll get a brand new bottle and fill it up in here. And then turmeric is best with black pepper, just a pinch, just a dash, and it really boosts the turmeric. And then I use about 1 lemon I squeeze in my water. And optional, you can do ginger also, and make sure the water is warm. So and that's it. Really simple, easy, and turmeric does wonders for your body. I mean, just so much good benefits of turmeric. You can Google all of it, but it's easy to drink. It's not a nasty drink. Just make sure you mix it well, and I just take it with me and during the day, and I just drink it all. When you're taking these pills, the Serrapeptase, you have to drink a lot of water. I've seen a lot of women talk about how they've been in pain, vomiting, and just all bad. Like, and so far I haven't been in any pain, but like I said, I drink a lot of water. Throughout the whole day, I drink water, lemon water, detox water, just whatever. But this is what I do for my turmeric water. Warm water, about a tablespoon or a half turmeric powder, 1 lemon, dash of pepper, put in your bottle, you're good to go. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.